In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the full process from start to finish, including the important step of archiving before permanently deleting. Follow along in your own ActiveCampaign account if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. First, once you're logged into ActiveCampaign, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the left navigation menu, click on Contacts. This will open up your main contacts page where you can see everyone in your account along with their details. Next, find the specific contact or contacts you want to remove. To select them, check the box next to each contact's name. You can select a single contact or multiple contacts at once if you're cleaning up your list. Taking a moment here to double-check your selection is a good idea because the next steps will start to remove these contacts from your active list. With those contacts selected, look toward the top of the page and click on Archive. Archiving is an important first step. Instead of instantly deleting the contact forever, ActiveCampaign moves them into an archived state. This helps prevent mistakes and gives you a short safety net in case you clicked the wrong contact. Once you've archived them, you'll need to go to your Archived Contacts view. In the top right corner of the Contacts page, look for the button with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click that button. From the menu that opens, choose View Archived Contacts. This will switch your view from your active contacts list to a list that only shows contacts that have been archived. These are the contacts that are no longer active, but not yet permanently removed from your account. Now, in this archived view, again, check the box next to the contact or contacts you want to permanently delete. This step mirrors what you did earlier, but now you're working specifically with archived records. Once those archived contacts are selected, look at the options above the list and click Delete. ActiveCampaign will recognize that you're trying to fully remove these records and will ask you to confirm. To finish the process, click Delete Permanently. This is the final confirmation that removes those contacts from your account for good. After this, they won't appear in your contact list, and their data will be fully cleared, so make sure you're confident before you confirm. And that's it. By following these steps, you safely move a contact from active to archived and finally to permanently deleted in ActiveCampaign.